In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to announce news on WordPress.com. This journey is simple, yet it requires us to follow several steps to ensure everything runs smoothly and effectively. Whether you're sharing updates with your audience regularly or just have a special announcement, WordPress.com provides an excellent platform for reaching your readers. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through the process together. To get started, we'll need to log into WordPress.com. Simply open your browser and search for WordPress.com login. Once the results appear, click on WordPress.com. Everything you need to build your website. It's important to ensure you're logged into the account associated with the website where you want to announce your news. Next, navigate to the WordPress admin page, usually found at localhost WordPress WP admin. This is your central hub, where you can manage every aspect of your site. Once you're in, go to your Posts section by selecting Posts from the menu. Here you'll see any existing content you've already published or drafted. Now, to enhance our news dissemination, we can use a plugin. Go ahead and click on Plugins from your menu. The plugin system in WordPress allows you to add custom functionalities to your site, making tasks like announcing news easier and more dynamic. Next, click on Add Plugin to start searching for the plugin that suits our needs. In the search box, type WP News Scrolling. This is the name of the plugin we'll use for our task. Once it appears in the list, click on Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete and then click on Activate to get the plugin up and running on your website. Activation is crucial as it enables the functionality of the plugin on your site. With the plugin active, it's time to post your news. Navigate to the News section by clicking on News, AAC Site, WordPress. Then select Add New News Item. Here is where the real magic happens. A new news item page will open, where you can customize your news feed by adding a compelling title, a catchy subtitle, and of course, the body text where you convey your full message. Remember that your audience's attention is valuable, so crafting your news item with clear, concise, and engaging text will go a long way in keeping them informed and interested. Once you've finished crafting your news item and are satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to publish your post. Double-check everything to make sure it looks polished and professional. By following these steps, you've successfully announced your latest news on your WordPress.com site. With your efforts, your audience should now be well-informed and engaged with the latest happenings. Keep practicing and exploring the numerous features WordPress offers, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your news announcements.